Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Pichu from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw a super cute Pichu, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically an oval but a little bit slanted towards the right. So I'm going to start about right here. And I'm going to bring it down. And connect. There. So notice how it's just slightly slanted. Then from there, we're going to draw the same thing. I'm going to come right across, say about this wide. And I'm just going to try my best to draw the same oval. So kind of like add a slant. Bring it down. And connect. It's always harder the second one. So you have to try to match the first one, right? There. Okay, so now that we have our two big ovals and they're slanted inwards, let's come back to the top right here, and I'm going to draw a big circle for a highlight right about here. And let's do the same thing over here towards the top. Let's draw this big ovalish circle. And then I'm going to go ahead and let's see here. Let's say about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve. And this is, I'm going to leave it open right now and shade this all in. And leaving that open just to give the eyes some color. And same thing here. So we're going to draw same thing. Just leave this part open. And shade this all in. If you're not comfortable drawing this eye, you can definitely just draw a circle or even a straight oval. I'm just trying my best to draw the same eye as the image that I'm referencing this from. So then I'm going to come back in here with a brown and just shade this part in brown. And same thing here. And then now that I have the brown in, I'm going to come towards this part where it meets the black, and I'm going to darken it. So my goal here is just to try to blend it in. Blend it into the black by leaving this part the lightest so that we can have some color. But we just want to blend this part in to the black. There, so hopefully you can see that. I know it's really dark, but hopefully you can see just that little subtle difference. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come to the top of each eye, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. Then let's come in between the eyes and say about right here, I'm just going to draw this tiny little dot for her nose. This is kind of like a little tiny triangle. Then from there, we're going to come back right underneath that little nose, and we're going to draw two curves coming out. So we're drawing the mouth now right in the center, and then we're going to that'll make Pichu really happy. So I'm going to come about right here and just connect it with a curve for open mouth. And then let's come back right here and I'm just going to draw a curve for her tongue. So now that we have the eyes and the mouth in, let's go ahead. We need to draw this big ovalish head. So I am going to, let's just say the center of the eye. I'm going to come out and say about right here. I'll give myself a point. Same thing over here, about the same distance. And then from there, I'm going to use those 2 points to draw a curve. So I'm kind of drawing this dumpling shape. It's a little bit narrower towards the top. But it's kind of like this ovalish shape. So let's say about right here, the top of the head. This is my center, and now I can go all the way down back to that point. So I'm just trying to create this oval. So now this big curve. Now I'm going to go ahead, round this part off. So this part is going to be the widest as it comes around the eye. Same thing here, a little bit wider, and then we're going to bring it in. Bring it all the way down. So I'm going to bring it a lot lower than the mouth, and so let's say by my center, about right here. Just kind of imagine how low you want it. So I'll say about right here. Give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to connect everything. So definitely turn your body over the paper if you need to draw this curve. There. So it's a little bit flatter, I guess, towards the bottom. Bring this in a little bit. And I need to fix my curve. Okay, so something like that, nice and round. Then from there, we're going to come back into this area and we're going to draw a curve right here for the cheeks. So these are pink cheeks rather than red like Pikachu. So same thing on the other side, but right here, curve, and bring it in. There. Okay, and then now we need to draw the ears. So I'm going to come about right here and we're going to draw these pointy ears. So very angular. I'm going to come about right here. Just draw one angle. So easier for my hand. I'm just going to create this 2 wide angles. Then from there, let's find the center. And we're going to go up, let's say about this high. I'll give myself a point. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with a soft curve. And same thing here. Soft curve and connect. Then let's come back in here and we're going to go back to our center. So let's say about right here. Just give myself a point and we're going to draw this V at this angle and then come down. And down on this side as well. So just 2 stripes and make this a little bit more. There. Now this is all going to be black. So let's make this a little bit wider actually. Okay, so same thing on this side. And so for this ear, it doesn't have to be at the same angle. It could be a little bit more flat. It's all up to you. So, but we just want to kind of aim for the same size. So about right there and same area. So let's say about right here. So the same. And then we're going to find our center, whatever angle you want. So let's say about here. I'm going to give myself a point, and then once again we're going to connect everything with a soft curve. There. And then once again find your center. So let's say about right here. And we're going to go up with this V and come down. There. So we created those stripes on the ears. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the cute little body. We're going to come about right here. Let's center it. So let's say about here and here. And go ahead and draw a curve coming down. Nice and simple. And we're just going to connect it at the bottom with a curve. So about right there and connect. And then from there, let's come down. Since we're down here, I'm going to draw the foot. So I'm going to draw a curve, bring this out, and connect. And then right here, I can add 2 little curves. So same thing on this side. Curve, little curve right here, and connect everything. And 2 little curves. There. And the hands on this one, this side right here, we're going to come out to say about right there. Give a little bump for a thumb, and come out again, and then just go ahead and bring it in. So just make sure this part is a little bit rounder. And so same thing here, but we're going to aim it down. So come down about the same length as the other hand, so about right here. give it a little hand, little finger, and a little bump for a thumb. And bring it in. There. And then, let's see, we need to draw stripes on the neck here, right here. So I'm going to come down by my center. And I'm going to draw a zigzag. Bring it up. And same thing. And then last thing we need to draw is the tail. So we're going to come about right here. And I'm going to curve it down. Bring it out and connect. Reminds me of like a hockey stick. There. And that is pretty much it. Well, let's go ahead and color this in really quickly. Just so you can see it a little bit better. There, one more real quick. And let's see here, I'm right here as well. And then everything else is just like a pale yellow. And of course the pink cheeks. And the tail. There, and that is it for my drawing here of Pichu from Pokemon. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.